These reports can be set up for automatic emailing. To manage how the report gets sent and who receives the notifications, you can click on the three dots on the top right-hand corner of the report. You're going to go down to Manage. And from here is where you can set the parameters. So if we go to Subscriptions on the left-hand side, we can see that there are 3 reports here. 2 are not running and 1 is running, and you can see that by the status is enabled. If you would like to add an email address to an existing report, you would click on Edit, and then you can come down to the bottom and you can add an email address here. Once you have finished, you can click Apply. To set up a new subscription, you're going to click on New Subscription at the top. You're going to type in the description of the report. So we'll call this one Daily On-Premise Report. And then when we come down here, you can put the email address you want. You can put in multiple email addresses. Just make sure you note down here that you want to use a colon to separate the multiple email addresses. The next thing that you want to do is you want to uncheck Include Report Link, because that sends you a link to the report that you would click on and then it would open in a web browser. You want to just have Include Report checked, and under Render Format, click on the drop down and you can choose Excel or whichever format works best for you. Under Schedule right here, we have the report is scheduled at a specific time. You're going to edit Schedule, and you'll have to remember that this is all in Pacific Standard Time. So what you can do here is you can set it on the days that you would like. So if you just want it for Monday through Friday, you would uncheck Saturday and Sunday. Or you can choose every weekday here. Or if you want it on all the days except for Sunday, you can modify the report. So here you can change the start time. Just remember that it's Pacific time. So if you want to run it for 9 o'clock Eastern, you're going to want to do 6 o'clock a.m. Pacific, and just edit it from there. Here you can say to begin running this report on a scheduled date. So if you are just ramping up, you can choose Monday, and then here you can say stop the schedule on. We usually don't do this because what we can do is when the site is slowing down and once you don't need the report anymore, we can just come in and we can disable the report, leaving it here. That way we can turn it back on if you ever want to. Once you're done, you hit apply and it'll save your report.